So here we are on our Aussie adventure on Kerry D Fishing Charters in the middle of nowhere. Have a look how flat it is in 9 metres. He's coming. He's going. Oh, look at that, we got colour. That's a snodger down there. Lucky Ben's with a good bit of gaff, because if it was me I would have hit the line.
Oh, nice, Benny.
Oh, Rosie.
Nice. Beautiful. Well done. Well done.
Oh, Toledo.
How do you feel, Roz?
Well done.
Worn out. Lovely.
What do we think of Karumba so far? Well, have a look out there and you tell us. How good's that? We're about, how far offshore are we? About 20 odd k's?
40 odd k's.
40.
40 odd k's, and we're only in 9 metres of water, and it is flat as. Some fish have been caught.
Yep.
What'd you
You're
get?
ahead though.
I'm ahead.
You're
What?
ahead. For now, calm down.
How's that caddy?
Oh, tell you what, you say you catch catfish when you just expect shitty catfish. These things are monsters. They're huge.
Yeah, when
so-
they said this morning if you get a catfish, leave it over the side, I can see why.
Yeah, yeah. They're
It's like
monsters.
it's like the Simpsons episode where he catches a catfish and it's about 6 foot tall. They're bloody huge up here.
They are. They are.
Anyway,
But you caught a good GT.
yeah, got a nice trevally.
Oh,
GT.
GT.
Trevally. Thrown in them.
Couple of sharks.
Yeah, you got sharked.
Yep. Couple of...
Oh yeah, you're on. And look at that. We're there talking shit. And she's lost it.
They've gone. See, that's what I get for paying attention to you.
That's it. They could have been a nice Spaniard there.
Putting me off my game.
Too funny. Anyway, we'll keep going. This is a big mackerel. Fucking sharp.
Is it?
Yep.
Boom. Is it dinner?
Yeah.
Sweet.
So we're only re-spoiled last night. Oh, not that one.
Ah.
Oh, of course. Might be.
That's one of the boats.
I didn't take video. Jesus Christ.
Is it still videoing?
It is still videoing. We've got the commentary on it. Nah, really?
What? Holy shit! Fish king, here we go. Come all the way out. And what does Dan get? Oh yeah. How's that for a caddy?
Sorry, here, Lane.
Thanks, mate. That's crazy.
Come to Karumba, where the barra fishing is. There's a catfish around. Dan's gonna get it. Whoa. Oh, he's taking some line off ya. Give him stick, Rosie. Give him stick.
I'm trying.
Get into him. Put a bend in him.
Who's hurting, you or him yet? What's your language?
We were on the wrong boat then.
Oh, you're right. You can swear. I'm only joking.
Keep him off the side of the boat if you can. Are you going under?
Under.
He's coming out.
Come on.
Oh, look at that.
What do you got?
Fish on.
Fish
Oh, it's
on.
a fish.
Little school mackerel.
There you go. I'm one up on Dan.
You are. You are. I just seem to be getting sharks. I'm keeping the shit away from you.
Oh, good, thanks. Dan's finally given in to bait fishing. Hey, Dan. But look at that. Double hooker, people. Nice. Nice.
And because it wasn't on a lure.
Oh,
No bait, mate.
whereas I'm not fussy. I'll eat whatever. Woo. Well, this is it, guys. Our last day in Karumba. And we've done exactly what we set out to do. A whole heap of fishing and drinks watching the sunset. It's been spectacular. The weather's been awesome. What can we say?
Get up here.
If you're thinking about coming to Karumba, don't waste any time. Get up here, guys. It has been fantastic.
Don't make excuses. You only live once.
Just do it.
And when you're up here, look up Kerry D. He's just over there where we are. We're out on the inner reefs in our 3.5 metre tinny. So guys, stay tuned, keep watching, like, subscribe, please. See you next time.
See yous.
Left Karumba and we've hightailed it to.
Paranella Park.
So stay tuned. We've got some great footage and some great stories coming up.